Welcome to back. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory continues the brand's legacy of high-performance superbikes, combining cutting-edge technology with race-proven engineering. Known for its aggressive styling, precision handling, and breathtaking power, this superbike is a serious contender for riders who demand the best on both track and street. With refinements in aerodynamics, engine performance, and electronics, the RSV4 Factory pushes the boundaries of what a leader-class motorcycle can achieve. The RSV4 Factory retains its signature aggressive styling, with an even sharper and more aerodynamic fairing. Inspired by Aprilia's MotoGP experience, the winglets are now fully integrated into the bodywork, improving high-speed stability and downforce without compromising agility. The updated LED lighting system not only enhances visibility but also gives the bike a futuristic and menacing look. The lightweight aluminum twin-spar chassis, combined with carbon fiber elements, ensures a perfect balance between rigidity and weight savings. At the heart of the RSV4 Factory lies a refined 1099cc V4 engine, producing an astonishing 217 horsepower and 125 Nm of torque. Aprilia's commitment to high-performance engineering is evident in the revised intake system, optimized combustion efficiency, and improved cooling for sustained performance. The power delivery remains smooth yet aggressive, making it a beast on the racetrack while still being manageable for skilled riders on the road. The improved quick shifter ensures seamless gear changes, allowing riders to extract maximum performance from the engine. Aprilia's advanced APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, suite has been further enhanced, offering multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and engine braking adjustments. The 6-axis IMU, inertial measurement unit, provides real-time data, ensuring that the electronic aids react instantly to changing riding conditions. The updated TFT display now features improved graphics and a more intuitive user interface, making it easier to customize settings and monitor real-time performance metrics. The RSV4 Factory is equipped with state-of-the-art Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension, which continuously adapts to road and track conditions. Riders can choose from predefined settings or manually fine-tune the suspension for a personalized experience. The braking system is equally impressive, featuring Brembo-style McCalipers gripping 330mm discs at the front, ensuring exceptional stopping power and precise modulation. The rear brake system complements the front setup, providing confidence-inspiring control in all situations. Aprilia has refined the RSV4 Factory's ergonomics to provide a more comfortable yet aggressive riding position. The redesigned seat offers better support during high-speed cornering, while the revised handlebar position reduces fatigue during long rides. The lightweight frame and swing arm contribute to the bike's razor-sharp handling, making it one of the most agile superbikes on the market. Whether attacking corners on a racetrack or enjoying spirited rides on the open road, the RSV4 Factory delivers an unparalleled experience. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is more than just a superbike. It's a statement of engineering excellence. With its powerful V4 engine, advanced electronics, premium suspension, and aggressive styling, it stands as a benchmark in the leader-class segment. For riders seeking the perfect balance of speed, control, and technology, the RSV4 Factory is a dream machine that delivers an exhilarating experience every time the throttle is twisted.